Hello, we offer online lean training. It's called Good Lean, Bad Lean. I present bad lean, how to get it wrong, and Reynald, who we partner with, presents Good Lean. Reynald is the ex-vice president of Toyota Motor Manufacturing France with over 20 years of Toyota experience, and he's going to explain, Toyota by Toyota. What's in the course?
Okay, but please come to see us, and I will explain during this course, actually for me, two main examples, what are the foundation of the lean within Toyota, and mainly basic of management, and how it's important to develop members and to have 100% of the member involved in the performance and in the lead application.
Right, so the Toyota way, presented by Toyota with a French accent.